Now this has to be one of the coolest gadgets you will see. And why I say that? Well, let me show you. This is a portable M.2 SSD reader. Well, reader and writer, but whatever you want to call that. Let me show you the cute thing on it. It has a screen. Yes, it actually has a screen on it to show you all stuff. User's manual right here. We have a thermal pad inside. Nice. Ooh, that's a beefy one. We have a lanyard. That looks really nice, actually. The lanyard. And this is the regular USB-C to C. High speed, of course. And tiny little screwdriver to take apart, because you have to open it up to install the M.2 inside. I installed one already, but I'm going to open it anyway to show you. This is an actual touch screen right here. And you have the air vents in all sides. That's the USB. And that's another USB. And this USB can output up to 100 watts power delivery. So you can put this to charge whatever device you have on the other side, reading and writing to it. Let me grab a screwdriver really quick, because I like this thing. This Fantic. Absolutely a beauty. I think this should do it. It's a fillet, so take it apart. Oh yeah, this is nice. The screw, I think, is on the side somewhere. Yep, both screws are right here. And we take them out. Boom. And then we just pull this out, just like that. Aluminum. The whole body is aluminum, actually. And I had one of these tiny M.2 SATA drives. It is what it is, but you can put up to the full ones. You have the screw right here, and that's pretty much it inside. You just put the drive, and it reads externally. So let me close it back up, because the beauty of it is that screen that shows you temperatures and speeds and all that other good stuff. Okay, let me close it back up. I love the screwdriver. It's so cool. Boom. That's it. These are all magnetic bits inside here. Tweezers and all that other cool stuff. This is really nice. I like this set. And of course, the screwdriver recharges with a USB-C. And this is it. Little LED here. Has a lot of torque for a tiny thing, and it's all metal. That's it. Boom, done. And you have all your stuff in one place. Love this thing. Okay, well, let's try this now. Okay, looks like the computer started. I mean, I can do this on a phone probably too, but I just want to do it with a computer, because it happens to be right next to me. And I'm gonna put this on just like so, and look at that. Yep, and it tells you the temperature right there. 256 gigs drive that we have inside. 10 gigabit per second is the speed right now. You can lock it. You touch here. I'm not going to, but if you want to, you can put a password. I don't have a password on it yet, but literally you can password lock it. That's it. Confirm. That's it. And if you swipe, it shows you if there's power, as you see there. 380 times transfer, 100% health on the drive, 3,520 hours of work on this drive, and it shows you the amps and the voltage that it's drawing at the moment. And here you have the settings that you can change language or password, and back to the main screen, just like that. This is absolutely a beauty. And let me see if I can just throw a file on it just for fun. I don't really need to do anything, but send to, well, let me take this screen protector. It's like a piece of plastic, and for some reason my laptop just does not like to work. And that's another reason I actually hate Windows. Yay! The Windows hate is real. Okay, well, this laptop needs to be formatted. I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, let's do it on my phone, because the laptop, since the last Windows update, really, it messed up, especially these Dell laptops. So yeah, I don't know what the hell Windows is doing, but we have solutions anyway. Look at that, starts right up. Let's see if the phone phone recognized it right away. Look at that, not a problem at all. Literally all the files are right here. So it's Windows always. They know how to do things wrong. Let me just get, I don't know, any file, I guess. Let me get this one here. Copy. Let me copy it to my phone. Copy here. And that's it. So when it's copying or moving files, I hope you saw the light blinking. and that's it. Have like quick toggles and stuff right here, and besides that, that is it. When it's not plugged in, of course, it doesn't stay on anything because it's not powering anything. Let me plug really quick a charger on it and see if the iPhone will do the pass-through charging with it, like that. And what does it do? Yeah, the iPhone started charging right away. That is actually nice. Oh, look at that. And it shows you even how many watts is it charging at right now and how many volts. Look at that. So the iPhone is drawing 9 watts around at 4.9 volts and 1.8, almost 1.9 amps. That is actually really cool. I didn't expect to see that information. What else we have here? Just this language thing here that we can switch, but I'm not interested. And no, I don't need a new password. That's it. This is really cool. And you saw yourself, you can transfer files, you can do whatever you would do on a normal external drive enclosure, except this time, actually, this is with a screen to show you quick information. And if you're reading, and for example, if I do copy again to throw it on a different side, it will do just that. And I can paste it here, let's say, for example, real quick. Oh, that was fast. That was way too fast. You saw the icon? Do that motion only once. Let me see if I can grab something a little bit bigger. I have the mini lab here. Okay, I have a 63 megabyte. I'm gonna copy this one just so we can see the light moving. Even on iPhone, actually, this is fast. Right here and paste. Wow, that was too fast. It showed the transfer there. Let me see if I have anything heavier. This is interesting. Okay, Edge Gallery has a lot of heavy items. Let me see if I can grab this, copy it, and go to our drive and paste. Okay, now, oh, look at that. It shows you the megabyte per second and all that cool stuff. Oh, literally that was almost too fast. You couldn't even catch it. Let me try to repaste it again, just so I can see that graphic again. This is fast. Wow. Yeah, replace. Look. Boom. That's it. And that was quite a big file. It was the whole folder. Still transferring. This is cool. Come on. And there, like, that was a whole settings folder with a lot of files. And it's transferring files one by one. And if you tap just to take it off that screensaver, which is actually really cool. That's it. They're done. That's all we need. I'm gonna stop the transfer because we saw the graphic that we came in for. But look at that. Ain't that cute? Well, besides that, what else can I tell you? Let me take this whole thing out and, well, I mean, you can see it on. This is absolutely beautiful. And it works with iPhone. I mean, it works with computers too. If I didn't have this Windows update, that's actually ruining computers, which, bravo, Windows. Again, Windows, bravo. You guys are the best at making things not work. Anyway, at least we know with move speed things work. So, not sponsored. Just literally they sent this to me and said, do whatever you want. And that's what I'm doing, showing it to you. Besides that, we'll see you next time. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. Bye.